Where's small business owner? Uton inyoma online and I say physical, but only receipts, only invoices. And I'm about to a quite simpler. Ubit me a generate or receipts anyway invoice. Ama o customers instantly. Say obeyno PDF or say picture form or and I say documents no ama o customer na. Me ba betro a kwanya obefa so aye enya sa receipt no and I say invoices no. In fact, sa tool we no ubit me dey aye enyoma bebre. Nti yen sembre no bio o phone no e browser bia o de browser. Nti me wɔ Chrome ɛwɔ ha nti mefa Chrome. Wobie o Chrome browser na search for this site. Your friend no freeaiding.com. Freeaiding.com. Na search it. Automatically baby say BBR. Now what's scrolling up and down. Now with this website no, you can humanize your document. Yemfa say one my AI I generate assignment bi ama with my ba humanize na wa post sa assignment no ewo ho ebe bo ama ebe tro wo document it say nipa na tro ye enye AI generated any other things. Nti what we are interested receipts or invoice generator. So say if a receipts generator na yombo generate now. Yombo generate now. Now maybe receipt generator. So the first one, store logo. If you have a logo for your business, you just tap on choose file. Then you choose your logo. Let's say I'm an order for TV. So I'll choose order for TV. Now your store name. So imagine my store name is Ambassador Tech Consult. All right, it's my location. I'm in Tema, Michelle Camp. Okay, let's come. Which currency do you want to use? So I'm going to use Ghana cedi. If you send me a Ghanaian cedi. Okay, my product, tax, percentage bend also. So it can be 0%, it can be 1%, it can be 2%, it can be 3%. I get it. So with this, let's say it is 1%. Now, saved by, so why not a day or issue a receipt? So the one who is issued the receipt is Mr. Emmanuel. Mr. Emmanuel. Okay, so date banner or issue receipt, you can say 27th of August, this very day. Now, item banner the panetoy until let's say, it's as I deal with tech, you can say boom. Let's say mic quantity only one, price let's say 200 cedis. I getting it. So this is it. After filling it, then you come to generate receipt. So here is it. It have generated your receipt for you nicely. Your company logo, your company name, your location, receipt number is there, date of the receipt, the person who did it for you or who signed the receipt. Then the item is there, mic, the quantity one, price 200 cedis. So you can see that it have automatically calculated everything for you. Now here you can download it as picture, PNG. You can download it as PDF and print receipt. If you have a printer with you, then you tap on it, it will print for you. Are you getting it? But because we are not having printer at the moment, so we will do what? We will save it as PNG. Okay, we will save it as PNG. Are you getting it? So here is it. It have been opened. Let's open it. So here is it. So with this, you can send this receipt to your customer. Let's go to our gallery and see if you will see this receipt in our gallery. Here is it. I see the receipt. So if you have your receipt like this, you can send it to your customers. You can send this receipt to your customers. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow this account. Bye.